Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Today, we're diving into PeerGOS, a fascinating platform located at https://peergos.org. PeerGOS offers a unique approach to data storage and sharing, distinguishing itself from conventional cloud storage services through its decentralized architecture. Instead of relying on centralized servers controlled by a single entity, PeerGOS leverages a peer-to-peer network. This means your files are distributed across multiple nodes, enhancing both security and privacy. Your data is encrypted before it even leaves your device, ensuring that only you, and those you choose to share with, can access it. This end-to-end encryption is a crucial feature in today's digital landscape, protecting your information from unauthorized access and potential data breaches. PeerGOS utilizes a public key cryptography system, granting you complete control over your data. Unlike traditional cloud storage providers, PeerGOS cannot access or decrypt your files. You hold the keys, literally. This decentralized approach also minimizes the risk of data loss due to server failures. With your files spread across the network, even if one node goes down, your data remains accessible through other nodes. Beyond file storage, PeerGOS provides additional functionalities. You can share files securely with specific individuals or groups, ensuring confidentiality and control. The platform also enables collaboration on documents and projects, facilitating teamwork in a secure environment. Furthermore, PeerGOS is constantly evolving, with developers actively working on new features and improvements. Exploring the platform yourself at https://peergos.org will provide a first-hand understanding of its capabilities and potential. Consider the advantages of decentralized storage and the peace of mind that comes with true data ownership. PeerGOS offers a compelling alternative to centralized cloud solutions, empowering users with enhanced privacy, security, and control over their digital lives. We encourage you to explore PeerGOS and discover the benefits of decentralized data management.